You need to make your mind more of a magnet. You want to be a millionaire, all you have to do is take on small habits every day, whether that be doing 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 squats. A lot of people only brush their teeth once or twice a day. Even if you increase the amount that you brush your teeth, if you work at a restaurant, if you have a job at all, when you come home, taking a shower, do you want to be rolling around in your filth in your sleep? You want to be hugging your kids and touching on your food with your filth, with your outside germs? Anything that you could do that's a positive addition to your life, and you do it every day, that's going to add potency and magnetism to your energy. That's going to give your visualizations and your imagination more of a reason to come to fruition. It's all about your intentions, and your intentions need to be to build better, healthier, happier habits so you could be healthier, happier, and free.